No. Why?
Probably nothing. I'll relieve you in 2 hours.
Sniffles.
Where you sleep?
Yes.
How did you?
We cannot allow you to harm Nirti.
We have no quarrel with your people, but I must insist you enter this cage.